Hello, my name is Kung. Welcome to cyberNet channel. This video will show you where to download and how to install Microsoft Power BI. Power BI Desktop is a free application that runs on your local computer and lets you connect to, transform, and visualize your data. Power BI Desktop can also connect to multiple different sources of data, and combine them, often called modeling, into a data model. This data model lets you build visuals, and collections of visuals you can share as reports, with other people inside your organization. Most users who work on business intelligence projects use Power BI Desktop to create reports, and then use the Power BI service to share their reports with others. Now let's try Power BI with the sample access database. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button under this video.